Hi, and welcome to another Making a Home Monday. Today, I wanted to show you how I decorated my house for fall. You'll see me use several different types of decorations. Some of them are completed pre-lived projects that I've done before, but a lot of it is from the fall haul thrift store shopping I showed in a previous video, and I really like the way it turned out. I wish I had some tips or tricks for you guys for decorating, but I'm pretty indecisive, and my method usually consists of putting things on the shelf, stepping back, and moving things around several times until I like the way it is. I finally got the shelves the way I like them. Here they are before, and here they are after. I really like how it turned out. I think it makes the room feel more cozy, and now I'm ready for fall to begin on Saturday. What are some of your favorite fall decorations to make? And where do you guys like to shop for fall decorations? Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss a video.